Enksaihan of Mongolia for gold at 68 kilograms. Divya Kakran, the first Indian to become a champion 68 kilograms at Asian Championships, has returned. Is here in Almaty, but has now moved up to 72 kilograms, opening up an opportunity at 68. Enksaihan, Mongolian, in her last international outing, was that bronze medal in New Delhi. Lost her first match to Kakran, but winning her next two gave her a chance. But loss to Arua Matsuyuki denied her a fight for a silver, settling for a bronze. Jumanazarova, a 21-year-old 2018 Asian bronze medalist at the championships and also at the Asian Games that year, already has had a successful week in Kazakhstan, beating Nisha of India in the Olympic Games qualifiers last weekend, 13-3 by technical superiority to earn her a Tokyo ticket. Although an interesting division, because Jenny Franson, as it stands, still looks to have been banned and disqualified for violating anti-doping rules. And there's still obviously the World Qualifying Tournament in Sofia next month. For Jumanazarova, no worries there, and now a chance to head to the Japanese capital. First-time Asian champion, 3 times junior Asian champion. A real fight in her hands, just a point lead over Enksaihan. Just ruffling up among Kyrgyzstani in red. Both these women won their 2 matches in the opening 3 rounds and then won their semi-finals in emphatic fashion to set up this matchup. And you can see well-balanced first round, hopefully setting up for some fireworks in the second. The gold medal on the line. Enksaihan looking to upgrade from the bronze in New Delhi. Jumanazarova, on the other hand, had a great end to 2020 with the individual World Cup in Belgrade, winning gold by beating 2019 Euro silver medalist Adela Hanzlechikova of the Czech Republic. Part of 3 senior wins in a row, including the 2020 Poland Open and this year the 2021 International Ukrainian Tournament. So certainly the form wrestler in Jumanazarova, including, as mentioned, earning a spot at Tokyo the weekend just passed here in Almaty due to COVID. The Olympic game qualifiers back-to-back with the Asian Championships. Clearly with teams Japan, China and North Korea, huge opportunities for the rest of the women in the Asian continent to go for titles. Certainly the case when you see the makeup of gold medalists in 2020. 2 for Kazakhstan, 3 for India. A massive 5 for Japan. Well, Žumanazarova was given a warning for passivity. There's nothing passive about that. Huge slam, and now looks to earn some more. Well, in order to avoid a point against, one must score. And Žumanazarova did that in emphatic fashion. Although maybe would have hoped to try and hit a bigger score than just the 2, but gives herself 3-point advantage. Just a wee adjustment of the socks, maybe just giving herself that little bit extra time to catch her breath, but it's the Kyrgyzstani in red, leading by 3 over Энксайхан in blue, and now Žumanazarova suddenly has the bit between her teeth. We asked for fireworks, certainly. Žumanazarova is offering them. Great lock around the top of the left thigh. Mongolian in a bit of bother. Minute to go, 5 down, and struggling to keep herself out of harm's way. Maybe just a concession of 1 point, best she could hope for there, but Žumanazarova just been a freight train in this second round, running right over the top of Энксайхан. She shot for 1. Žumanazarova just skipping away without a care in the world. She edges towards potential first Asian title at the senior level, 3 times junior champion with the 21-year-old. A huge star already. Now looking for that first senior continental crown. They're locked up here. Mongolian's going to have to make something happen. In the end, Žumanazarova just steps out. She gets a warning and a point for Энксайхан, but Žumanazarova's is not going to worry about that. Nothing pointing there. The only thing pointed to is the top of the podium, where Žumanazarova will be heading later this evening. Well, she was a bronze medalist in 2018, a 3-time junior champion, now top of the continent, as she beats Энксайхан, the Mongolian taking silver, but with a 6-1 victory, 21-year-old Kyrgyzstan.